Good morning, student. In our last period, we learned some part of our lesson. The three questions. You know very well what were the three questions of the king. He wanted to know the answers of that three questions. So he announced. So he made a declaration, and many learned. He made a proclamation and announcement, and many learned people came in his came to answer his questions, but the answers were different according to the different persons, and the king was not satisfied with the answers, so he did not give reward to any person. Then he decided to visit to go to the hermit, the wise person of his kingdom, who lived in a forest in a small hut. So he went to meet the hermit, and reached there when he reached there, the hermit was digging outside his hut. On seeing the king, the hermit welcomed him. The hermit greeted him, but he continued his work. After sitting some time, the king went to the hermit, and he asked the hermit his three questions. The first question was, what is the right time to start any work? Who is the right person for me? And what is the right work for me? The hermit, now we are going to see the next part of our lesson. The hermit listened to the king but said nothing. He just pat on his hand and resumed digging. The king watched in silence for a while. Then, feeling sorry for the hermit, he said, "You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you." The hermit silently handed over the spade and sat down on the ground. When he had dug two beds, the king stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit again gave no answer, but rose, stretched out his hand for the spade, and said, "Now rest a while and let me work a bit." But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed and another. The sun began to sink behind the trees, and the king at last stuck the spade into the ground and said, "I came to you, wise one, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me none, please say no, and I will go home." "Here comes someone running," said the hermit. "Let us see who it is." Now, the hermit was continuing his work. He continued the digging. He listened to the questions, which the questions the king asked to him, but he said nothing. He just listened to the king, but he said nothing. He just spat on his hand and resumed digging. He just spat on his hand. Then he continued his work of digging. The king watched in silence for a while. When the hermit did not give any answer to the king's question, he kept silence and watched the hermit for some time. Then, feeling sorry for the hermit, he said, "You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you." When the king see that the hermit was looking tired. The hermit was tired. So the king went to him and he said to the hermit, "You are looking tired. You are tired. Now let me do some help. Let me do some help for you. Let me do some work for you." The hermit silently handed over the spade and sat down on the ground. The hermit was also tired, so he said nothing and handed the spade to the king, and he sat on the ground. When he had dug two beds, the king stopped and repeated his questions. Then the king dug two beds, and when he finished his two beds, the king stopped for a while and he again repeated his questions. The hermit again gave no answer, but rose, stretched out his hand for the spade and said. Again, when the king asked his three questions, when the king repeated his three questions, the hermit didn't give him any answer. He just stretched out his hands for the spade and he said to the king, now rest a while and let me work a bit. He said to the king to rest and he continued his digging. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But the king did not give him the spade and the king continued his digging. 1 hour passed and another. In this way, some hours passed. The sun began to sink behind the trees and the king at last stuck the spade into the ground and said, and when the day passed, the sun began to sink behind the trees. Means it was the time of sunset. Now the king at last stuck the spade into the ground and he again asked to the hermit, I came to you, wise one, for an answer of my question. He said to the hermit that I came to you to know the answer, to get the answers of my questions. If you can give me none, please say so, and I will go home. Then he asked the hermit, if you cannot give me answers to my questions, then tell me so, I will go to my home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Let us see who it is. But at the third time too, the hermit did not say anything. The hermit never said anything to the king. He just said to the king that someone is coming to us. Someone is coming to us. Someone is running towards us. Let us see who it is. And in this way, at the third time too, the hermit didn't give any answer to the king's questions. What will happen next? Did the king get the answers of his three questions or not? We will see in our next period.